I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and when it comes to cheesy carbs, it does not get any better than Cacio e Pepe pasta. I've got a hungry 1-year-old, an even hungrier husband, and a hungry mama. So we've got pasta on the menu all week long at our house. What I love about this recipe is it's just 4 simple ingredients. So I have my water coming to a boil on the stove, and I've salted it really well, almost to the taste of like salty seawater like the ocean, because that's gonna help flavor our Cacio e Pepe pasta. Now I'm gonna add the spaghetti to the boiling water and cook it just until al dente, about 10 minutes. But here's the trick with Cacio e Pepe pasta. We're gonna use some of this boiling water for the base of our sauce, so reserve 1 cup of the water and then drain the pasta. I've drained the pasta, now I'm gonna add it right back into the pot that we cooked it in, because the less dishes, the better. So this goes right back in here. And all that's left to do is add our unsalted butter. And because the Parmesan cheese has so much kind of natural saltiness to it, you wanna make sure that you are using unsalted butter. So this goes in with the hot pasta. Give that a quick stir. And I like to think of Cacio e Pepe, look at all this amazing steam, as kind of an adult version of buttered noodles. Get that butter nice and melted. And now we just have 3 ingredients left to add. We'll add our freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And we'll save a little bit to garnish with on top. All that cheese and butter melting together. And our freshly cracked black pepper. And a little bit of that reserved hot pasta water. And this is gonna help that cheese and butter and pepper all come together into this creamy sauce. So we're gonna start off with about half of a cup, and you can always add more if needed. Just one more stir. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at all that cheese. That is what we are looking for. It's creamy, it's cheesy, and I love that we're using the pasta water to make the base of the sauce, because it has all of that natural flavor from the pasta already cooking in it. It's got the saltiness, and this is exactly how we want our Cacio e Pepe to look. Talk about hashtag cheese pull. Oh my gosh, yes. "15 minutes, 4 ingredients for the ultimate homemade Cacio e Pepe pasta." For the full recipe, check out justataste.com.